Hello my dear students of class 7, welcome to maths class. Today I am going to teach you maths, okay, and today I will start the new chapter number 2, integers. Now what are these integers? You have already learned about this in class 6 also, that what are integers, okay, I hope so. And today I am going to teach you about integers and all about what are integers, okay. So you know that what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are what? 1, 2, 3, 4 and it has no ending. Natural numbers has no ending, starts from 1. So these natural numbers are what? Positive. These natural numbers are positive. Okay. So what are these integers? These are what? Positive integers. These natural numbers are what? Integers. They are positive integers. Okay. Now if I will add their sign, these are positive integers. See here, if no sign is, that means they are positive. Okay, and if I will write sign in front of this, that means this is what? Negative natural numbers. And this negative natural number is what? This is negative integer. Okay, so the combination of positive natural numbers and negative natural numbers, what it forms? It forms integers. Okay, what it is? It is integers. So integers are combination of positive natural numbers and negative natural numbers. Okay, now I will show you on the number line. Okay, on the number line about these integers, about positive integers, negative integers, which are greater, smaller. Okay, so see here carefully. I am making the number line. So in middle 0 is there. Okay, to the right side of 0, what will be there? Positive integers. What will be there? Positive integers. Right side, positive integers. And to the left side, what will be there? Negative integers. Left side, what will be there? Negative integers. So this 0 is separating the positive and the negative integers. To the right hand side, positive integers. To the left hand side, negative integers. So let us write the positive integers plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 and it has no ending. So many endings. Okay. And let us write the negative integers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Okay. So I hope you have understood about this number line also, about integers also. It is a combination of what? Positive natural numbers and negative natural numbers. So then this 0 is dividing this positive and negative integers. This 0 is dividing the positive and negative integers. Okay. Now let us see which integer is greater, whether this positive integer is greater or this negative integer is greater. Okay. So I said you already, to the right hand side when you will move, to the right hand side of 0 positive integers are there, to the left hand side of the 0 negative integers are there. Okay. So now you already know that plus 2 is greater or plus 3 is greater. So you will say that plus 3 is greater because you already know. Okay, so this one is easy because both the numbers are what? Positive. So this one is easy. You easily distinguish that which one is greater, which one is smaller. But when you get two integers, okay, one is positive, one is negative. So which one is greater? Whether this minus 2 is greater or this plus 3 is greater. Okay, you get confused that whether this minus 2 is greater or this plus 3 is greater. So keep in mind that all the positive integers are greater than negative integers. What? All the positive integers, whether it is 1, 2, 3, whatever it is. Okay. But if it has plus sign, okay, that means they are greater than negative integers. All the positive integers are greater than negative integers. So which one is greater? 3 is greater. If I am writing here, minus 3 is greater or plus 1. So don't think that this is 1, this is 3, that means this is greater. No. Keep in your mind that all the positive integers are greater than negative integer. That means this is greater. Okay. Which one is greater? Plus 1 is greater. All the positive integers are greater than negative integers. Now, this 0, about this 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay, because this 0 is dividing this positive and negative integers. This 0 is neither negative nor positive. Okay, it is neutral. So I have said you two things. Okay, I hope you have understood that all the positive integers are greater than negative integers. Always keep in your mind that, don't get confused with the sign. If you see one is minus, one is plus, always go for the plus one. That one is greater. Okay, if is given, question is given to find which one is greater and smaller. Okay, and 0 has no sign where it is neutral. It has not positive nor negative sign. Okay, it is neutral. Okay, now one more thing is that you will understand the comparison between the plus minus. Okay, that all the positive is greater than negative integer. But when both the integers are negative, okay, when both the integers are negative, now like a minus 3 or minus 2 is greater. Now which is greater, minus 3 or minus 2 is greater? So many of you will say that 3 is greater. By seeing the 3 you will say that 3 is greater. Okay, but it is not. Now see here, in the number line, the value increases from left to right. Value increases from left to right. Now you can see here only which is greater, 2 or 3. 3 is greater. No? Why? Because the value is increasing from left to right. Same way for the negative also, value is increasing from left to right. Increasing, no? Increasing order. That means this is small. Minus 3 is greater than this minus 4. Minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Okay, so the value is increasing from left to right. That means which one is greater, minus 3 or minus 2? Minus 2 is greater. Which is greater? Minus 2. Why? Because the value is increasing from left to right. Okay, so don't think that this by seeing this 3 that 3 is greater. No, 3 is not greater. Minus 3. In front of this what is there? Minus 3, this is minus 2. Minus 2 is greater. Okay, 0 is greater than minus 1. Okay, so I hope you have understood about what I have taught you about integers. Okay, I have given you a small explanation about the integers. Now let us start the exercise 2.1. Okay, and let's do few questions. Okay, so let us do. So now what is question number 1? Question number 1 is arrange the following integers in ascending order. Okay, so in this question we have to arrange the integers in ascending order, and I know you know that what is ascending order. We have to arrange it from small to big. Ascending means small to big. Okay, now let us arrange this. Okay, so first of all, what I said you that all the positive integers are greater than negative integers. That means whatever the positive integer is present here, they are greater. So let it be. Okay, we will keep that aside. Okay, because they are greater. First we have to write the smaller one. Now let us see the negative one. Okay, this is minus 6, minus 3, minus 5. Okay, so we have to write the small one. Now don't say that this minus 3 is smaller. I have already said that value increases from left to right. So from left to right, what comes first is minus 6. This one is smaller. Okay. Now after this we have to choose from this minus 3 and minus 5. So out of these two, which one is smaller? Minus 5. Okay, and last one is what left? Minus 3. So done. We have arranged this negative one. Now let us see about the positive one. Positive one is very easy. You know this. You have learned this from UKG or class 1 only, how to arrange in ascending order about this positive numbers. Okay. So now here what is left? Plus 8, 0, plus 17. Okay. So out of this you know that 0 is smaller. Plus 8, 0 and plus 17, which is smaller? 0. We will write here. And then what we will write? Plus 8, and at last what is there? Plus 17 is the greatest of all this. So see here we have arranged these integers in the ascending order. I hope you have understood this, okay, clearly. Now if you have any doubt, you have my number, you can message me there. Okay, I'll clear your doubt. Okay, now after one, let us see question number 3 what it is. We have to arrange this in ascending order, and you can see this time big numbers are there. So no need to worry, it is very easy. First what we will do, we will see the negative one. Okay, then we will go for the positive one. Now see here, this is minus 889. This one is plus 1071, minus 2139, plus 1234 minus 1701 minus 1329. Then we will keep the positive this and this. We will see afterwards. First we will see about the negative. So out of this, which one is the smallest one? Is this. Okay, 2139. Again I repeat that value increases from left to right. So this is to the left side of this integer. So this one is the smallest one out of this. Okay. Then what will be the smallest one? This. Okay. That is mine. Don't think that these numbers are big. No, you have to see the sign. Okay. Then we have done this. We have done this. Now you know that we have done this. We have done this. Now what is left? Is 1 minus 1329. So we have done this also. Now we have to see from. So we have done this also. Now at last what is left? Is minus 889. So all the negatives one done. Now what are the positive one? This and this. So this one is very easy. Out of this two, which is the smallest one? 1071. This is positive. So this one is the smallest one.
And at last, which one is the greatest of all? 1230.
Plus 1230. Okay, so this was question number 1 about how to arrange in ascending order. Now let us see question number 2. Okay. Now what is question number 2? Okay, question number 2 is arrange the following integers in descending order. So in this question we are going to arrange the integer in what? In descending order. Okay, so let us start in descending order. What we have to do? We have to arrange it from big to small. Okay, in ascending, small to big, descending, big to small. Okay, so now first what we will do, we will see the positive integers because they are greater than the negative integers. So here there are two positives, 9 plus 4. So which one is greater? Plus 9 is greater. Okay, and plus 4 is smaller than this plus 9. Okay, so done these two we have done. Okay, now let us see, 0 is there? Yes, 0 is there, and 0 is greater than this negative integer. So we will write here 0. Now we will see the negative one. Okay, so that which one is greater? Minus 5, minus 7, minus 4. So which one is greater? Minus 4 is greater. So minus 4 is greater out of these three negative integers. Okay, now we have to see out of this minus 5 and minus 7. Okay, so which one is greater out of these two? Is what? Is minus 5 is. Okay, so done. And at last what is left is minus 7. So minus 7 is what? Is the smallest of this all integers given here. 9 plus 9 is the greatest one. Minus 7 is what? Is the smallest one. And we have arranged the value from big to small. Okay, big to small. Now let us see question number 2. So first what we will do? We will see the positive one. So how many positive integers are there? 1, 2, 3. So out of this, which one is greater? This one is 1224. This one is 1242. This one is 1442. So out of this, which one is greater? Positive one you can do easily. So which one is greater? 1000 plus 1442. Okay, and after this, which one is smaller one? Is 1242. And then at last it is smaller, this one plus 1224. Okay, so we have done this three positive integers, so we will take. Okay, so that no confusion will be there. Now how much is left? 3 is left. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so out of these three negative integers, which one is the greatest one? Okay, so this one is the greatest one. Okay, 1220.
Now after that, minus 1224, then minus 1242. Okay, and now
last one is what? Minus 1442. Okay, so this was all about descending order. Okay, so today I have taught you two questions, question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, and in my next class I will do the other questions. Okay, so don't get confused with this negative and positive integers. Okay, and I have taught you that which one is greater, which one is smaller. So for today up to this much. I hope that you have understood, and if you have any doubt you can contact me. Okay, I will clear your doubts. Okay, and what you have to do is that whatever I have done on the blackboard you will do in your copy as a classwork, and I will give you few questions as a homework. Okay, so for today up to this much. Thank you.